Portable Bluetooth speakers are very popular nowadays. Now, some of them come in a really tiny package. So tiny, so you can fit them inside your palm and make them disappear. Now, such tiny size does compromise with the sound quality, but its only job is to perform better than the laptop or smartphone speaker. Now, this is Soundcore Ace A0, one of those breeds of tiny speaker. So does it do better than your typical smartphone or laptop speaker? Or a better question would be, buying such a tiny speaker even worth it? We'll find out in this video. Hey everyone, my name is Parth, you're watching InfoPal, and let's roll the intro. Now, for a portable Bluetooth speaker, sex is very important. I meant SECS, size, endurance, connectivity and sound. So let's talk about size. Is it tiny? Yes, it is. Is it easy to carry? Yes, indeed. I mean, it takes no space in your backpack. In fact, you don't even need a backpack. You can easily fit this into your pocket. Size apart, the build of this speaker is also decent. Now, I owned a Mi portable speaker which had metal build. This one is not as sturdy. However, the plastic build has nothing to complain about. It has only one power button which is located at the bottom. Now this button also works as multifunction button. So long press will switch on the device. Short press works as play pause and double press skips the track. The entire device has one port which is micro USB for charging. Overall, it easily satisfies the size parameter. So let's move on to endurance. Now the battery life of this speaker is disappointing. In fact, this is the Achilles heel for all the speakers of this size. It claims to have a playback time of 4 hours, which is accurate if you are playing this thing at around 70% volume. The problem is that it is very less. Now if you are planning to go from Bangalore to Mysore or Kolkata to Digha, this battery life may still be enough. But if you're planning to go from Bangalore to Ooty or Kolkata to Darjeeling, this may not last till the end. Also, this does not have any kind of fast charging, so the charging takes quite some time, about 1.5 hours from dead to 100%. The connectivity of this speaker is good. I mean, it's pretty quick. You just switch on, then find it on your phone and tap to connect. It has Bluetooth 4.2, so the connection is very stable. Now something to keep in mind, this speaker uses SBC codec, so you might find some audio latency while watching live media. Now let's talk about the sound quality of this speaker. Okay, now here is the thing. For a speaker of this size, you have to check your expectations. But first let's talk about what it offers. It has 2.5 watt output, so the reach of the sound is very small. It's still good enough for a small room or a small passenger car. The vocals are very clear and there is a good presence of highs. So if you are listening to good melodies or podcast or YouTube videos, the experience is good. The problem is the bass is non-existent, especially the lower bass. So if your playlist includes EDM or metal or hip hop or anything where beats are important, this speaker won't do justice to them. So to conclude, is this speaker worth purchasing? Good thing is this speaker knows its limitations. It knows for its size it can't produce thumping bass, so it concentrates on highs and mids, which also helps in making the sound more pronounced for something which has only 2.5 watt output. Battery life is also on par for its size. However, if there is somewhere they could have taken leverage on, is probably the charging speed, especially considering when it has such a tiny battery and technology is out there. From consumers' point of view, if you really want this cute little form factor and if you want to keep your expectation above your smartphone or laptop speaker and below any speaker of larger size, you can purchase this thing. This speaker performs really well within its limits. There is no gimmick in this. So is this the best portable speaker under $1000? No, there are better options available, especially in terms of sound quality if you spend couple of $100 more. One of them being Mivi Roam, which I had reviewed earlier. I will leave a link in the description. That's all for this video. This is Parth signing off from InfoPal, and I will see you in the next video.